My name is Abdul Wahab bin Muhammad from Department of Chemical and Process Engineering, UKM. Actually, this is in Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment, UKM. My research area is actually on membrane and separation technology and how we use those technology for application in various industries, especially for water and wastewater treatment. What is membrane? Well, if I can simply explain it, membrane is basically a filter, but this is a filter at molecular level. So you can have a filter like this, and you can actually prevent something that you don't want from passing through the membrane, and you get whatever that you want passing across the membrane. So, for example, let's say, for example, water. If you can have water which contains a lot of toxic elements which you don't want, you can basically prevent it from passing through, and you can get clean water coming out from the membrane. And this is an example of membrane in the simplest term possible. And there are many membrane technology available, such as ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. And in fact, in many advanced countries, we can see that these technologies have been used quite widely. So that is basically my area of expertise. In Malaysia, we have been working with companies like SIMW and IWK to show and demonstrate the performance of membrane technology in order to recycle and reuse water from their plant. For example, in SIMW, we have like 60 tons of water being used per day in palm oil mill. And this 60 tons, if you can actually recycle and reuse, you can get a fresh source of water which will not be treated and sent to the river, but instead being used within their plant. In IWK also, they have done a lot of work on treatment of the water. And basically, if you can use membrane technology to filter and make it better, you can always recycle and reuse this water again for industries as well as for public. We also have worked with Qatar Foundation. We receive funding from Qatar Foundation and we have worked with Qatar researchers in Qatar University to help them to use nanofiltration as a means of pretreatment for desalination plant. And before that, we also received funding from Middle East Desalination Research Center to basically use nanofiltration technology for membrane desalination plant. So overall, our work has been cited quite widely, especially in the area of nanofiltration technology, whereby one of our papers has received a very high citation within the world community.